Not that.
Hello everybody, this is Bulldozer and thank you for giving me your time and thank you for watching another one of my videos. Welcome to another version of Whacked Out Drivers in the Natty. Pay attention to this gentleman on the left hand side of your screen. He's telling this lady what to do because she's backing up and she's looking at her backup camera in her car, and he has to run up to her car and say, "Hey, there's a trash can there." You can see one of the steel trash cans over here to your right by the fire hydrant. There's one of those over on this corner that she almost backs up into. And this gentleman here stops the traffic. The other car got the hell out of Dodge. And look, you can see her right there, folks. She's looking down at her monitor instead of using her mirrors, which is the reason why she almost hit the trash can. But I mean, really? Your backup monitor is not for you to be staring at while you are backing up. That's the reason why you got mirrors for. And again, you see a gentleman over on the left hand side. He's telling her, you know, how to turn the steering wheel. This other gentleman right here is helping her. He gets out and he stops traffic. And here's where she almost backs into the trash can again, and he has to run up to the car and stop her. This guy gets the green light, and this person here, look, they just get the hell out of Dodge because they don't want to get their car hit. We stay back, and this guy's trying to help her, but she continues to look at her face. She is looking at her monitor and not using her mirrors. And even the guy is like, he throws his arms up like, really? I mean, it's almost funny, folks. It's almost funny, but it's sad at the same time. In case you didn't catch it, look, here's a picture. You can see I got 3 blue lines going to where her mirrors are and 1 green line going to her monitor. And you can tell that's exactly where she is looking at, is at her monitor. Because remember, folks, if she was using her side mirror on the passenger side, she wouldn't have been backing up into that trash can. You know, the host of Live PD made a comment the other night, and it's exactly 100% accurate. You know, he said he never had a clue on how many people drive without a license and without insurance until they started doing that show called Live PD, which airs on A&E on Friday and Saturday nights at 9 o'clock. It's a live broadcast of police agencies. It's a live broadcast of what goes on, usually about 6 different cities across the United States, police departments, sheriff's departments, all depends on where they're at. You know, and you got this guy, you know, he's trying his best to help her. And again, you can see it in slow motion there, folks. I showed you the picture. Look in slow motion. You can see she is not at all looking at her mirrors. You know, really the purpose of that monitor in there is so when you're backing up to make sure there's nobody behind you when you're backing up. Not for you to look at it the entire time you're backing up, because that gives you a small picture. You gotta use your mirrors. And even into the intersection, she still is not using her mirrors. You see this guy here, he like throws his arms up like, you know, I can only suggest that he's doing that because he sees her not even looking at her mirrors and she's backing up. That'd be my guess. This is the Bulldozer. Thank you for watching. Drive safe. And I'm out of here. Here's some more videos you might be interested in. The video on the center of your screen is where we had an encounter with the Metro bus driver in downtown Cincinnati. Traffic was messed up, but he was supposed to stay behind his white line at a red light, and he came through the intersection outside his lane of travel and was trying to go around cars and was trying to cut off cars that was in our lane of travel. And if you watch this video, you'll see actually he gets so close to the back of our car you can barely see the bike rack on the front of the car. The video on the left hand side of the screen is where we were leaving Good Samaritan Hospital on the west side of town, and this dually truck blows this red light and almost T-bones this Jeep, and it's just absolutely insane. Here it comes right here, and look how fast this dually truck is coming, and he must have looked up at the last second and swerved to miss this Jeep. Otherwise, he would have flipped that Jeep. And the video on the right-hand side of your screen is where these people decide to run a red light right in front of a Delhi police officer. They was going so fast, their entire car tilted to the right, just as the Delhi police officer was coming up over that hill. It was absolutely hilarious. These people absolutely picked the wrong time to run that red light. And the thing is, they didn't even slow down and see if anybody was crossing the street or anything. Don't forget, folks, to make sure you check out the other videos on the channel. And just so everybody knows, I don't make no money doing this. This is all educational purposes. This is a tool to help educate people, giving them reasons on why they need to have a dash cam in their vehicle. Just so everybody's aware of that. I make no money doing this, okay? So don't think all these videos are put up to make money, because they're not. This video is uploaded as an educational tool. And if I'm not mistaken, that is also put in the description. This video is uploaded for educational purposes. So again, everybody, drive safe. And remember, like I said in this video, your family wants to see you make it home. So keep your eyes on the road and out of the cell phones. And that text message can wait till the car is in park. This is the Bulldozer. Drive safe. And I'm out of here.
Floor, just a rebel on your own, on a bed to a bed to a bed to a trip, on a bed to a bed to a